to the Committee on Quadcom. Now, Mr. Chairman, let me just give a brief background about this. Mr. Chairman, during the time when the former president assumed office, that was August of 2016, in public, he announced all those police officers that was allegedly involved in the drug trade in the whole country. And I have all the list of those police officials that was invited at Camp Crame, and in the list are 95 police officers. And out of the 95 police officers, Mr. Chairman, 19 police officials from Region 6. Now, Mr. Chairman, well, in fact, ito po original nung binasa ng Presidente